Hello everyone. Let's start with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So today let's solve fifth question. Chef in his office. What does it says? Recently, chef joined a new company. In this company, the employee have to work for X hours each day from Monday to Thursday. So 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Employee has to work for X hours. Also, in this company, Friday is called chill day. Okay, employee only have to work for Y hours, and Y is less than X. So, uh, like chef he's working X hours from Monday to Thursday, and he's working on Friday, which is Y hours, and Y is less than X. So it is known as chill day. Saturday and Sunday as holiday. Determine the total number of working hours in a week. Okay, so we need to return the number of working hours in a week. So they have given input format as the first line contains a single integer t, the number of test cases. So let us take t and t minus 1. So this will take care of all the test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains two separate space separated integer x and y. So let's take x and y. X and y. Which is basically the number of working hours on each day from Monday to Thursday, and number of working hours on Friday. So let's understand the example. They have given 3 examples, and here x is 10, y is 5. So which is satisfied? X should be greater than y, and Monday to Thursday there are 4 days. So chef will be working 10 into 4, 40 hours plus 1 this 5 on Friday. So total will be working for 45 hours. In the same way, 12 into 4, if you do, that is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. This is 50. So Monday to Thursday chef will be working for 8 hours. So 8 into 4, which is 32, and 32 plus 7 is 39. So here we have. So let's write the code. We need to out 4 star x plus y and end L. So let's try to run the code. So as you can see, 45, 50, 39, 45, 50, 39. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. So what does it say? 5 days coding, 6 days resume, friends. Okay, it's fine. So I think in this way you can solve the problem. It was super simple. So we need to just derive this formula 4 into x plus y. If you could have done this, then you would have easily solved the problem. So yeah, after this video I think you may be able to solve this. Yeah, if you have any doubt, just comment and I'll try to help and solve it. So thank you guys.